When it comes to copy and increment text, it's an existing command, but you will now see the enhancement that's added to the command. I'm just going to recap. If I select text, I can right click, I can go down with my CSM to text, and I'm going to use the command that says copy and increment. Now up to Caddie 25, you had only the auto option. That means because I made use of a space for a separator, it picks up that I can either increment the 1, 2, 3, or I can increment the B. So if I want to increment the 1, 2, 3, I can tell Caddie with the value I want to increment, 1, 2, or 3, and the results will be automatically depends on your increment. My B with 1, and the results will be C. That's what we had up to Caddie 25. So if I'm going to say OK, Caddie will create a 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, etc. with the C, D, and E. Now new to Caddie 26 is that what if I want to increment a character that's inside some text. So I'm going to select the text, I'm going to right click, the same command, go down to text, once again copy and increment text, but this time I'm going to make use of the manual option. Now Caddie picks up the original text and Caddie asks us the position of first character of number to increment. Now as soon as you move your pointer over, Caddie will give you a description, the position within the original text of the first character of the number to increment. In this case it will be number 8. Caddie picks up the number as number 6, and I would like to increment it with 1. So my end results will be Caddie 27 ABC. So if I'm going to say OK, I can then place Caddie 27, Caddie 28, Caddie 29. Also, an enhancement when it comes to your text is that so many of us are familiar with the editor. We're going to add some text, but at the bottom we're going to keep it on none because I would like to align my text by using a keyboard shortcut key. Let's add some text. We're going to say Caddie 26. Have a look at the bottom. My setting is set to none. So that means my text will be horizontal because my angle is 0. So if I say OK, but if I read the command line now, Caddie will ask me indicate the position for the text. Hold down tab to indicate width, A for align to object, or P for pick angle. So those two options is added now to your keyboard with this command. So I would like to align it to a line, so I'm going to press A on the keyboard and Caddie will ask me indicate the line for angle, indicate the line, and Caddie will ask me indicate the position for the text. So that's new to Caddie 26 in your keyboard shortcut on your command line. Now what I like about this feature is that even if you've got a block, now remember this was just a normal line or a polyline, but here on the right hand side I'm going to show you that I've got a block reference, 2 block references. I'm going to make use of their lines for alignment of my text. So I'm using same command, the normal text editor. I'm going to start off with the wash and basin. Remember my setting is set to none. I'm going to say OK, and Caddie will ask me indicate the position for the text, although I would like to use the alignment option from my keyboard. So I'm going to press A on the keyboard, I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to indicate the line within my block. And then Caddie will ask me indicate the position for my text. I'm just going to press spacebar, repeat previous command, and I'm going to make it WC water closet. I'm going to say OK, and once again I also want to align it to a line, so I'm going to press A for alignment. I'm going to indicate the line that's inside the block, and I can place the position for my text. Now I'm going to show you the pick angle, so I'm going to say enter text. I'm going to type in shower. Once again it's set to none. I'm going to say OK, and this time I'm going to say pick angle. So I'm going to press P on the keyboard for pick angle, and Caddie will ask me indicate the position for the text, and then Caddie will ask me indicate second point for angle. And there's my text at an angle, standard from my text editor, but by using my keyboard shortcut I can place my text according to alignment.